Hello everyone and welcome to today's online class for class 9. In our previous classes, we talked about the concept of matter and the characteristics of matter and thoroughly with the practical example discussed each characteristics of matter. Specifically, two, the kinetic energy of particles of the matter, which helps the particle for their motions, and the distance between the particles of the matters. Depending on these two factors of matter, particles of matter, that the energy of the particle and the distance between the particles, matters exist in three different states: solid, liquid, and gas. Apart from these three states, there are two other states that matter to exist in, but we are not going to discuss those two matters in our standard. For the standard that we are right now in, we are going to confine our discussion only between the solid state of matter, liquid state of matter, and gaseous state of matter. When we start to observe the universe and the matters in it, we found that the particles in matters are orienting themselves different way with respect to the particle they are creating. Depending on these observations, we found that there are matters in which particles try to stay very close. The interparticle interaction, the force between the particles, which is known as the intermolecular force. The force between the attraction force among the particles of matter are known as the intermolecular attraction force. This intermolecular attraction force for some particles in some matters are found to be very strong. As a result, what happened? Those particles try to stay as close as possible with each other, minimizing the space between them, the distance between them, the intermolecular distance between them, creating a situation where the particles arrange themselves in an orderly manner, in a very close proximity. On the other hand, there are certain materials that we found in which particles of those materials, constituent particles of those materials, the intermolecular force, the attractive force between the particles of those materials are found to be extremely weak. As a result, what happens? The particles are free from one another's influence. As a result, they are freely moved. They possess free motions on their own. As a result, what happens? The intermolecular distance between the particles, the space between the particles of those materials are found to be extremely large. That is the case for the material that I have drawn in this beaker. The third type of material that we can observe is those kind of material where the particle of the material possess moderate amount of intermolecular attraction force, not as strong as for beaker 1, in which the intermolecular attraction force were extremely high, but not as weak for in beaker 3, where the intermolecular attraction force was extremely low. But it was a moderate amount of intermolecular attraction force between the particles of the material that can be observed. As a result, the space between the particles, the intermolecular distance between the particle was found to be in a moderate amount. And what happens in those cases, the particles have quite a bit amount of motion, but not free from each other's influence, as was in the case for beaker 3. Depending on this observation of relative intermolecular attraction force and the distance between the particle, the first example, the first case, that was in beaker 1, where the intermolecular attraction force is extremely high, resulting in the close proximity of the particle, minimizing the distance between the particle, was termed as my solid state. The second type, where the intermolecular attraction force was extremely low, resulting in extremely high amount of space between the particles and free motion for the particles. That was the case for Vikat 3, which the state for this term was the state for this type of material was termed as gaseous state. The intermediate state of these two, where there was moderate amount of intermolecular force of attraction between the particles, which was resulting in a moderate amount of space between the particle and a motion for the particle also under the influence of the surrounding particle. This state was known as the liquid state. That has been seen in the Vikat 2. So Vikat 1 is my solid, Vikat 2 is my liquid state, and Vikat 3 is my gaseous state. Depending on the two factors that differentiate the states of matter, few characteristics also can be defined. Like volume, for solid it is definite because molecules are arranged in a closed space. That's why the volume are specific for solids. It is definite, but for liquid it cannot be defined because molecules have free motion under the influence of other surrounding particles, but the particle of liquid do have a motion, and for gas it is not definite at all. Diffusion. Diffusion depends on the motion of the particle. As the motion for the particle of solid are restricted, that's why the diffusion is extremely poor. Only in liquid, the solid material, some of the solid material can show diffusion, but not very in a very high, not in a very high rate. But for liquid state of a material, it is higher than the solid state, the diffusion rate, but lesser than the gaseous state. In gas, where the diffusion rate for particles are most. Rigidity and fluidity. Rigidity means how strongly they are closely packed, and fluidity means how easily they can flow from one point to other point. These two are opposite to each other. Obviously, for solid, the rigidity is the most, but fluidity is extremely low. For gas, the rigidity is least, but fluidity is most, and liquid is having the rigidity and fluidity in the intermediate position. What you can say for liquid state is that the rigidity is not there, but fluidity is very high, is higher compared to solid, but not as much as the gaseous state. Compressibility. Compressibility means if you give a pressure to a material, will the material contract its volume. That is the compressibility of a material. Now, obviously, for solid, as the spacing between the particles is minimized in their arrangement, that's why it cannot be compressed. Gas, as they have the highest amount of spacings between them to get compressed, that's why gaseous materials are the most compressible one, and liquids are having better compressible than solid, but not as much as that of a gaseous material. Density is highest in solid state for obvious reason and lowest for the gaseous material, and liquid material having the density in a intermediate position in a moderate amount. Shape of solid materials are definite. If you have taken a solid material, this shape will be a definite in all environmental conditions. But for liquid and gas, as they have a fluidity in them, that's why wherever you are going to put a gaseous material and a liquid material, it will acquire the shape and volume of that particular position, particular space. Kinetic energy. Now, kinetic energy related with the motion. Higher the kinetic energy, higher will be the speed of the particle. As the solid state, the motion of the particle is restricted to an extremely high amount of intermolecular force of attraction that I will be coming later. The kinetic energy for the gaseous particles of solid materials are extremely low, whereas for that of gaseous material they are higher than solid and also liquid. particles of liquid materials having kinetic energy higher compared to solid materials, but lower compared to a gaseous material. The interparticle space, the interparticle space obviously for solid is least, most is in the gas, and moderate amount spacing can be found in the liquid material. The interparticle force of attraction is most strong for solid materials, most strong in solid material, and least can be found, weakest can be found in gaseous material. Whereas in liquid metal, the intermolecular force of attraction is found in the moderate amount, more than that of gaseous material, but lesser than that of solid material. The first question that we are going to do is what are the conditions for something to be called matter? The substance needs to have a mass and also needs to occupy some space in the universe. Therefore, the answer will be, in short, mass and occupy a space or volume. The second question is, why does gases neither have fixed volume nor fixed shape? Because we just studied that intermolecular force of attraction in among the gas particle is least, which results in higher amount of fluidity in them while creating a huge amount of space between the particles. That's why they do not possess a definite shape or volume. Least IMF. IMF stands for a lot of things in a lot of places, but in chemistry it stands for intermolecular force of attraction. Least intermolecular force of attraction, higher space, which creates a very high fluidity. Third question is, how does the smell of food being cooked in the kitchen reaches us even from a considerable distance? We just talked about the concept of this thing in our last class. This is nothing but an example of practical example of diffusion. The fourth and final question is, explain why does diffusion occurs quickly in gases than liquids? Because the particles of gases are free from the influence of the surrounding particles, as the intermolecular force of attraction is least in them compared to the liquids, where the particles do possess motion but under the influence of the surrounding particles. In short, I am just writing intermolecular force of attraction. Now, this type of question, like this question, this can come in 2 marks or in 1 marks. Depending on the marks that has been given in the exam, you have to write the appropriate answer. If the mask is given 2 marks, then obviously you need to explain how it is happening. If it is given 1 marks, within 1 line, what is the exact cause without explaining how that reason is making this entire situation happening. You do not need to explain that thing. Only the main reason. If you write the main reason, it will be okay for 1 marks. But if it is more marks, then you need to explain it also. So depending on the marks given, you need to consider the answer that you